In this video, we're going to be talking about how to apply DoorDash promo code. So let's just get straight into the video. So first things first, all you need to do is simply go ahead and order something. So for example, let's just say from Denny's, I'm going to go ahead and get this. So let me just go ahead and click on the sandwich. And now all I need to do is simply go ahead and click on the order tab or just add something to my cart, just like that. I don't want the Grand Slam. Let's just say I want this one, right? I'm going to simply go ahead and select something, click on, so for example, that, and click on checkout. And now it's going to take me to this adding screen right over here, as you can see. When it adds it to your cart, let's just wait for a couple minutes. Then you can simply go ahead and check out right over here by clicking on continue. And now this is where you want to simply go ahead and select your payment method. And when you select your payment method, all you need to do is after that, you can simply go ahead and add your promo code. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down.